Okay, that was no. Hello, so today I'm just going to be interviewing this cat here. That is actually my friend's cat, it's not my cat. You might have seen him in my video I did, the Come Dine With Me video. Yeah, so he was in that. He's called Ozzy and he's really cute. And so I'm just going to be asking him some questions because just get straight into it. So, what is the best and worst purchase you've ever made? Okay. What's the most interesting thing you've read or seen this week? Hello? Ozzy? What's the most interesting thing you've read or seen this week? Oh. What are you... How do you judge a person? Oh, like that. Out of all the other cats you've met, which one do you think you would love to be? What smartphone feature would you actually be excited for a company to implement? A cat flap. I get where you're coming from. What was cool when you were young but isn't cool anymore? So I just don't know if you can actually... Hello? 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 What do you prefer, whiskers or iams? Because you are an iams cat. Dreamies? Ooh. What's the loudest meow you've ever done? Ozzy, look, I know you might be feeling down right now, but like, think of the positive. I know that you broke up with Christine, but like, you just gotta think of it like this. Like, out of all the other cats out there, there's so many. Like, there's not just her. Like, there's so many more. Like, think of Christine in the swamp of all the other cats. You don't need her. Like, if I'm honest, I think you're better without her. Do you hear me, what I'm saying, Ozzy? 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 You can't just pretend like you're not here, because I literally know that you're here. But I know that you just want to feel right now that you just want the ground to... Okay. You just want the ground to like swallow you up because of your breakup, but... You just got to think of it out there, like, there's so much left. You've got so much longer to live, you've got so much more ahead of you, that you honestly just need to put it behind you and just focus on the past. And don't focus on the past, focus on the future, because that is all that's important out there. And think of, you know Susan, who you love, I know that you've got a thing for Susan, because I saw how you looked at her the other day when we were at that Barking Park place. You really...
Barking, he's a cat.
I know, but Susan's a dog.
Oh.
And this cat here saw this dog, and I was like, if you had to be either a CD or a DVD, what would you rather be? That was quite rude. What do you think of this saying, don't do it, being cue it? Oh, really? You're more of a home base? Oh, you don't want to talk about it?
Your front hand further out. No, your back hand then. The one closest to me. You need to straighten that. Yeah, there we go. Oh, perfect!
Does it look good?
Yeah.
What's hard to tell is that which is a leg or which is a tail.
I don't think that's hard. One of them has foot.
They all have fur. He's literally
Foot,
covered with
foot,
fur.
foot.
Oh. Can you do this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you do that?
No, I don't think that's right.
Right.
I suppose it is. I feel like you're in... Oh, quick. Oh. Oh, I fell.
Shall I open the door and then copy him? You've got to follow us, yeah?
It's going to be dark out there.
Oh. You've got to be prepared. I've told you what to do. Oh, I can't. The stairs are fast. I just don't think this is going to work. I don't think that this is funny at all. Do you? Like, honestly.
Well, I'm not going to lie, loads of people watched your interview in my wall, but I couldn't even bring myself to watch that.
No, but like, that I think was alright, but I just think...
I don't know why he's being so depressed. Yeah, of course.
Was he?
Why is he being
Is
so
it filming?
upset? Oh, yeah, been filming for ages.
Why is he sending